DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. Yo, let's see what I go up on the screen, you know. You see me answer. Let's see what I go up on the screen. Let's see what we are dealing with today. Yeah, man. The artist I was there with today, dog, was one of the maddest out of the Gaza. If people wish to tell the truth. You see, before the artist and him get start call up on certain things what we now go mention, the artist I was one of the maddest. The artist you have tune, lyrics, all that stuff. You see? Yeah, the artist I was very talented. A lot of people think that the artist I go very far. But so once the artist and name start get called up and say, the dog that will lift up off of the Gaza, man. Yeah, man, I hear teacher talk about him, man. If you don't want to fix the interview. But, yeah, man, the artist is a very, very dope artist if people want to be armies. And today, dog, they with a new tune. You see me? The one named Homage. But even though it's a Deva Bratt, they are road, you know, I think it's a Deva Bratt, they are already But dog, they are road, yeah. Alright. Then I expect the one still, but yeah, man. Deva Bratt, they with a new track, the one named Homage. And apparently it's a Vybz Kartel diss. Whew. Yo, so we're going to check it out and see what going on in our gang. We're not hold up with vibes much longer. We are just right now track. Deva Bratt Homage. Let's get it.
Crucial conflict. Actually, factually. Alright, well. Okay then. Hey, it a record. It a tape. The book.
Oh yeah, African dog I use a cartel style. Yo, alright, it a record, it a tape. Alright, go on.
Them bigger than a grape. No use and a batty na fuck pan the Gaza.
Yeah.
But Hansman brother never straight. What am I try to do? Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish. And bust one in them head that make them varnish. Create carnage.
Voila. Vybz Kartel, we have to address this accusation. Yo, this accusation, man, say, man, yo, the Gaza commandments. Don't tell me say you violate the Gaza commandments, teacher. Teacher, do not tell me say you violate the Gaza commandments, you know. Because this is what the man say, yo, sitting there, brother, never hey, Kartel. Hey, Kartel, you know. You ain't in trouble, you know. World boss. You know, Kartel. World boss. You ain't in trouble, you know. You ain't in trouble. Cause start off to make some wild accusations. Yo, what going on now? We could hear that I say, hold on.
But Hansman brother never straight. What am I trying to do? Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish. And bust one in them head that make them varnish. Create carnage to damage them can't manage. Them never want show Deva Bratt no homage. So what am I do? Tarnish.
Oh, bad man say I be a carnage, you might do damage. You never want show Deva Bratt no homage. We're not going to Deva do nothing panic. Hey, you.
Them can't manage, them never want show Deva Bratt no homage. So what am I do? Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish. Bust one in them head that make them varnish. Create carnage to damage, them can't manage. Brain a go fly like partridge.
Jesus, that's my Kartel, that's your tarnish him name. We are try do. Come here.
Little body, big head, quagmire. Say you want to yam the girl, them pussy like a vampire. Some fire, addy and not daddy in my fuck.
Oh, wait. No, sir. No, me can't believe. I where boss I do, sir?
Carnage, to damage, them can't manage. Brain a go fly like partridge. Hey, little body, big head, quagmire. Say you want to yam the girl, them pussy like a vampire. Some
little body, big head, quagmire. Say, giggity, yo, what?
Head quagmire. Say you want to yam the girl, them pussy like a vampire. Some fire, addy and not daddy in my fuck. I tell man fi eat the red flag. So Colombian.
That's Fox. That's Fox. Kartel, me dog, whoa. Alright, boss, you wanna deal with sir? Never. Wait.
Why your brain jump out top frog face when the mug fire, Glock fire, Mac fire, what fire? And when the dopey fly gone, me no stop fire. Show what them tarnish me name me rise the rifle.
The man say when Kartel dopey fly gone, he still a fire shot. Brawling.
What? Varnish and bust one in them head that make them varnish. Create carnage to damage, them can't manage. Them never want show Deva Bratt no homage. So what them I do? Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish. And bust one in them head that make them varnish. Create carnage.
Big up Deva. Me nah lie. All what go on. All who go and big up Deva Bratt. Cause this Black Rhino should have do. Black Rhino they over there with the bag of balling and bag of gimmicks and bag of and this should do what Deva Bratt do right now. Deva Bratt now take no this. You see me? Deva Bratt now take no this, you know, business for cartel out. Big up yourself, Deva Bratt, cause enough boy afraid. Enough boy now call the teacher name and you tell him straight up. Little body, big head, quagmire boy. I know me say no cartel. Deva says so. Big up yourself, Deva Bratt.
To damage them manage. Brain a go fly like poultry. Secure and zebra get charged and sentence. You and Sean get charged and sentence. You return with bad mind in a vengeance and drink up the fever, then rank thing you go mention. I couldn't liquor them.
Weird. Man say, yo, you already take it sentence, you know. Just like already and take it sentence. But the only thing you come back out in a bad mind. Yeah, drink fever and I say about rate. Cause you know upon the fix interview. Dog, I say, yo, if any DM do race and take I will sing about it. Yo, dog, I
return with bad mind in a vengeance and drink up the fever, then rank thing you go mention. I couldn't liquor them a drink, I must see mad suspicious. Shorty, see them a give fat puss kiss. The gun them a
weird. Man say I can't blow Romeo drink a mad sauce piss. I don't know mad sauce and mad puss. I don't know what you're saying. Big up yourself, that mad. Play our words. Go on through.
I couldn't liquor them a drink, I must see mad sauce piss. Shorty, see them a give fat puss kiss. The gun them a clap and no pram push this. The bush master get the you can't ambush this.
Shorty catch him a give a fat puss kiss. How you say?
The man them shoulda duck you with a big pan of shit. You come from prison with a 18 a bit. We know your DNA did have some freak in a it. In a white under your nose, no make no banana slip. What's a peel? You shoulda get.
Oh shit. Yo, weird. The man say you come out of jail, you're eating a bit, brother. Are you a freak? We don't know you're a freak for a long time while you sit in the cartel. And then the man use a one style of this, a mouth. The man say that's why you keep on say a mouth. Hey.
15 years more. Hey, you touch Lisa hype from 15 years old. The AR 15, it's 15 years old. Me clap it pan rapid and hit the near toll. Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish. Bust one in the
hey, yo. You don't want to hear this tune and watch you listen to this. All of them little clash there. All this tune, this the man say, yo, yeah, touch. This hype from 15 and the 15 first years old. Man say man go clap 15 and take it on the toll. Easy yourself, never go on wicked, you know.
They make them varnish, create carnage.
Yo, Kartel am an artist. You see me, but I have to talk truth. When an artist drop bad tune, man drop bad tune, bro. You see me, and Kartel am an artist, you know. Yeah, dog, I king of the dancehall. But that don't mean so no for coward. You don't want the crown. No, I'm told you. That's why I have to rate Deva Bratt. You see me, because even though Kartel am an artist, man, the king of dancehall, bro. If you're an artist, you're supposed to try to be king too. So whoever have a crown, you know, because if me was an artist, you know, as much as Kartel am an artist, you know, if I'm my king of dancehall now, I go for him head, you know. Because I want the crown there. You see me? Yeah, man. I must have my artist, I go for him head and nothing can stop me. But you artist, you go like so no afraid of Kartel. You see me? Yeah, but you know, because I'm an artist, I go say, you not afraid of him. But you see, if me was an artist personally, myself, yeah, man, I go for Kartel, man. Beat what? You gotta have to beat the best to be the best, you know. So I'm have to big up Deva Bratt, because dog not afraid for show out. Easy now, man, go on.
Them can't manage, them never want show Deva Bratt no homage. It a record, it a tape, the book shot, pebble them bigger than a grape. No use send nobody can't
fuck. The book shot, pebble them bigger than a grape, you yo.
Panty Gaza, but you want jet then me see I go panty. Wait, it a record, it a tape, the book shot, pebble them bigger than a grape. No use send nobody now.
Panty Gaza and you easy.
For Panty Gaza. But Ansman brother never straight. What am I trying to do? Hey, little body, big head, quagmire. Say you want to yam the girl, them pussy like a vampire. Some fire.
Jeez, peace, little body, big head, quagmire. Yo, easy dog, yo, come in, never.
You know daddy in my fuck, I tell man fi eat the red flag, so Columbia necktie, bag by your brain jump out top frag face when the mug fire, Glock fire, Mac fire, what fire, always.
You get Columbia necktie, brother, you got dead, easy.
When the dopey fly gone, me no stop fire. Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish. Bust one in them make them varnish. Create carnage to damage them can't manage. Them never wash out Deva Bratt no
homage. Jesus. Deva Bratt.
Homage.
I think you're brave. I feel brave. I think you Deva Bratt that. Yeah, man. You're brave, brother. You do enough people afraid for though. Shoot after a teacher. Jaja, but me know the teacher can rub you out doing not Deva. I like that, bro. You see me? Anyway, dog, I sleep. Because I don't like teacher, you sleep from all your brother. Certain things you sleep with. You try to be too cool. You see me? I say you try to be too cool and easy going, dog. To you. And if you go back to the days, you see me? Pan Gaza, if you got the Gaza commandments, brother. And if you go back to that, man, you try to come cool. To you. See, they might freak you out in the way you move from what they know. But then again, in the cartel, I see what you deal with, you know. I don't know how well the Graves disease, they might affect you, you know. It might affect your health, you know. I mean, you probably want to see them left you, know, brother, because you don't want to look away because you hold up, you call up, you're sick on them thing there, the girl them probably not even really like one time. Bro, don't lower out yourself to keep no woman, dog. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Don't lower out yourself to keep no woman, that's crazy. That would be ironic though, you know, dog. Cartel, you see me, the artist that won't have so much girl and and he do this and that and and he nah do this and that and that and God jail get sick, you know, and because I'm healthy, come back out. So now I'm have to do certain things to keep the girl. That's crazy. Because he not, that's crazy. Hey, life is funny. You see me? One half of the man, as you say, don't fall or anything because you don't know what situation I carrying up in a but. Big up Deva Bratt, bro. You see me I say dog come out shooting at the teacher. You see me dog, teacher say something where dog no like. Yeah, teacher say something where dog not too like and dog make it known. Say yo, straight up. Man nobody come with no bag of posts and arguing and crying on social. Man be going to the studio and do what your artist supposed to do. Build a tune, fling some shit over there. You see make some boy know themselves. Big up Deva though. You see me I say, this one enough of them artists need to do. This one blood clean. All can need to do. If you want to call name. If Mask want to call name. Rhino this one. Rhino for do instead of ball and eliminate. Oh, run joke and give me. So that's one tune if you make my youth. I'm told big up Deva Bratt. You're brave though. Even though you kind of tarnish your career. But this is a wicked tune, man. And if I do the first one, it's a good tune for the first one, man. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Deva Bratt. You see me, I have to give Deva ratings. He's braver than enough, boy. Anyway, gang, I don't know, boy Jambisco. Till next time. Let's chop it up in the comment section and I know what you think, dog. This nice. You think Kartel are going to reply? Let me know in the comment section. Till next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me,
wow.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.